Today we have the 2021 Polestar 2. This vehicle has done just over 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our drive, assist, charge, and more. Next up, we have our applications. This includes Google Maps, YouTube, Spotify, and Apple CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof.